Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to convert PDF to Word for your desktop and laptop. First, open up Microsoft Word, and from the options to the left, we can see an open option. So click on that one and locate the PDF file that you want to convert. I'm just going to click on Browse right here and just select your PDF file to open it. This window will pop up. It will be optimized to allow you to edit the text, so it might not look exactly like the original PDF, especially if the original file contained lots of graphics. So keep that in mind and just click on OK. And this is now the converted PDF file. It is now a document where you can edit the text, and it converted it well. This is how my PDF looked like, and it almost looks identical, so you should go ahead and try this method. And once it is converted like this, just click on the File tab at the top left, click on Save As from the options at the left, and this is where you can name your PDF, and make sure that the format here says Word document, and click on Save right here. You can click on More options to locate on where you want to save this file, and again, make sure that it is saved as a Word document right here, and click on Save at the bottom, and it should now be a Word document, as you can see right here. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.